This video will fix the footer at the bottom of the page using the position and bottom properties. At the moment, we have to scroll down to see the footer, and we'd like to set this up such that the footer is fixed at the bottom of the page. And to do that, we can use a position property. So we'll add some CSS to our footer HTML element. And using the position property, setting that to fixed, will actually fix the footer at the bottom of the page. But currently it's not showing up at all, and that's because the main element is covering it. If I decrease this height to say 80, now the footer will show up. But we want this to actually show up regardless of what the minimum height of the main element is. And so to force the footer to show up, or to force the footer to appear above the main element, we'll set it to 0 for the bottom property. And so now the footer shows up or will appear above the main regardless of what the minimum height of that element was. But we also notice that the width is not looking good, so let's give this 100%. So now the footer looks more like showing up the whole width for the background color, and it's also fixed at the bottom of the page regardless of how much text there is in the main element. I hope this helped you, and stay tuned for the next element where we talk about the max width property.